Managing construction projects can feel like juggling 100 tasks at once. Budget, schedules, subcontractors, and compliance requirements. What if there was a way to bring all this moving part into one platform? Welcome to Sage Construction Management, the ultimate tool for streamlining workflows, improving collaboration, and delivering projects on time and within budgets. In this full walkthrough, we will explore its features and show you how to use Sage to manage your construction project. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up such construction management, track budget, manage schedule, and collaboration with your team, all from one centralized platform. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's break down what makes Sage Construction Management stand out. According to their website, Sage is designed specifically for construction professionals, offering tools to streamline operations. For example, here you can see there's a bid management, right? There's estimate, takeoff, lead management, job costing, payroll, work in progress, and it's integrated with different kind of third-party softwares. It also has a mobile application, so you can access it anywhere, anytime, and there's a service operation and property management too, right? So there's a lot of more stuff there. For example, cloud-based access for anytime, integrated with tools like Procore, Microsoft Office, and QuickBooks. AI powered insights to forecast risk and optimize resources allocation. To get started with stage construction management, you have to come up to this official website. There's a link given in the description, by the way. Now, tailor the dashboard to fit your workflow. So we have to make and sign up for an account. They offer demos and free trials so you can test the platform before committing. So now let's talk about the pricing because this will play an important role here. So ready to explore the Sage intact pricing here. So the first thing we need to do that is, there is here obviously we have to enter the email address, first name, last name, and company organization, and click on next. Now they will just contact us and they will give us a demo, and they will also show us the pricing and everything. For example, if I want to take a product tour from here, I can do this. Now once you enter the details, it will look like this here. Now click on next. Now this is basically the dashboard which looks like this, and currently as you can see here over your screen, right, this is a project performance. So this is, as you can read here, you can get a quick overview of company financial stat. At the top you will see performance card showing your key financial metrics, all fully configurable for your needs. You can easily track what matters most with the Sage intact construction. Now you can also customize your workspace, for example, by adding widgets like project timelines, financial summaries, and task list. If you're transitioning from another system, use Sage import tool to bring in existing project data, budget, and contacts. Now let's move to the next features. Now this is intact. So what happened in the intact? Here it says that your projects are just a click away, showing all your projects data. As you can see here in the background, you can view original contract amount, change orders, budget, estimates, and you can easily track any kind of financials which is related to any project. So the dashboard is not limited to just showing the high level pictures. You can also just go and click on it and view and get as much deeper as you want into that project. Right now this is a general ledger report. So if I just go and click on it, you can see here this is how it's look, right? So it will just give me an additional information, and below there's already kind of all these customers and the accounts payables, right? So from a project overview report, you can drill down to see data and source document for all your numbers, right? And you can get even more data and see general entries, cost codes, and cost type associated with this transaction, which is really helpful here. Now this is project performance. As you can see here, the three highlighted bird is active job count, employee count this month, and new job this month. So it will just give you an overview, and from the bird's eye you can get it. So you can also access a variety of metrics beyond just financial data, such as resources utilization and number of projects in the progress at a given time. So it will help you to take the decisions very fast, right? And here you can see the project cost codes and type details, including self-performance work. So work breakdown structures like this are completely customizable in Sage Intact Construction. So you can track project cost codes and cost types and way you want. Right, so as you can see here, this shows the project estimate ID. These are the unique IDs given to each project. This is the original workflow type. and the cost code, and this name, this and post to GL account title, and in the end there's a memo. Now this is project contracts, so it will show you a detailed summary of all your project contracts in one place. You can edit it out, you can view, you can see it, and Sage help you to show a wide range of project construction types, including fixed price, time, material, or cost plus, with the ability to handle all style building. Now let's move to the next thing, which is called change reports. So Sage Intact Construction makes managing changes seamlessly and very efficient. First, you can easily create and track the status of change request, which is, as you can see here, you can just do it. Now, once your change request is approved, this is how it's look. You can create a change order and add it to your contract, pulling in all the details from the initial change request. Now this is here invoice section, which is really useful. So it just simplifies it, just like a normal invoice how it shows, but it's give you some of the extra information on the top view. If you just go and click on it, and you will get more option. If you want to add an invoice from the top, you can add it, you can delete it, you can import and export, and the invoice, right? The normal stuff here. Now this is a purchase order, which is called PO. So in the purchase area, you can easily view all the purchase and POs and subcontracts, including work breakdown structure information. So Sage Intact Construction keeps your purchasing process organized and really detailed. Now here you will get this option of general ledger. So these charts of accounts of the general ledger are typically more than 6 digit, with no need for any prefix or suffix to designate a division or department, which is really a cool information. Now here on the drop down, you will see a lot of option here on the left side. You can just go and access it. On this is account section, and in the book section, if you just go to the dimension structure, this includes standard dimensions like location, department, vendor, employee, and items. So customize it with defined speciality, all dependent dimensions to fit your unique needs. Now this is financial report, which is really a good one. If I just go and click on it, it will show me all the estimate data here, and you can then drill down into additional layers of details within a click. Right now, this is guys, this is the end. Now here you will able to customize it up. You can just change the hierarchy, for example top level, and as you can see here, different, and obviously you can make and customize your own depending on here in the main dashboard. This is a report center. You can view all the reports with extensive export option, right? HTML, CSV, PDF, and Excel, right? Or Google Sheet. You can also schedule reports to be emailed regularly to a user on a defined schedule. And basically, reports are just a way to visualize your data. So with this interactive custom report writer, you can create report from scratch or duplicate existing one, rename them, and make any adjustment you need. And then you can just send it to specific B2B company. Now here you can add any kind of matrix on your dashboard, which you frequently update. Now this is the exact overview of Sage Intact construction software. And if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe.